Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the topic of pitch and volume. First, let us discuss about the loudness of sound. The volume of sound is defined as a range of loudness. The volume depends on the height of the amplitude. For example, when we talk to our friends, our voice might be low. But when we address a public gathering, our voice might be dominant, that is louder. See here, there are two waves are given. One is low, one is loud. See here, what is the difference between these two waves? Here, the height of the amplitude. So this part is amplitude. So the height of the amplitude will be varied. Listen, here very less. Here is more. So because of that, we are telling this is low volume and this is high volume. Next one, we will do some activity based on that volume. See, I used only tumbler and the spoon. So listen, a tumbler hit hard with a spoon will make a stronger vibration, which means it will make a loud sound. So the next one, a tumbler hit gently with spoon will make a weak vibration, which means it will make a quiet sound. That means low volume. The next one is the loudness of a sound depends upon the following factors. One is the amplitude of the vibrating body. Then second one is area of the vibrating body. And third one is distance from the vibrating body. So the first one, the amplitude of the vibrating body. For example, the sound produced from the sitar is louder if we pull the sitar more violently. So area of the vibrating body, the sound produced by a large drums is louder than the smaller one because it has a larger vibrating area. So we can hear the more sound compared to the smaller one. So the third one is distance from the vibrating body. So in that, loudness of sound also depends upon the distance of the vibrating body from the listener. So it is caused by the decrease in amplitude due to increase in distance. For example, see, if we hit hard, the sound level will be reduced due to increase in distance. If the person is away from that place, so definitely he can't hear the sound. The next one is the pitch of a sound. The pitch of the sound depends on the number of sound waves produced in a second as it vibrates. So the frequency, the number of sound waves per second. The unit of frequency is Hz, Hz. See, there are two waveforms are given. One is lower pitch and higher pitch. So, what is the difference between these two diagrams? Here, waves are only less compared to this higher pitch. Here, see, 1, 2, 3. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, if it is less waveform, that is lower pitch. If it has more waveform, that is higher pitch. So one difference is there in that for the higher pitch, the wavelength is very shorter compared to lower pitch. See here, the wavelength is more, but here wavelength is very short. So for the pitch of sound, you should always consider only the number of waveforms. But for the volume, you should consider only the height of the amplitude. These are the main difference between the pitch and volume. See here, this is high wave frequency. Here, more number of waves are there. But here, low wave frequency. Here, only less waveform is there. See, now we'll do an activity based on this pitch. Listen, here I used one box, then two sketch pens and one rubber band. So the rubber band is going to act like a string. So when I strike this, see, it makes more vibration. so the frequency level is more. So when I'm moving this gauge is next to this. So now I'm going to strike this. See, it's the vibrating level is very less, so it makes less frequency only. So whenever it makes more frequency, that is a high pitch. Whenever it makes a less frequency, that is low pitch. Thank you.